Bindi, back, come on. Let's go this way. Back this side. Back, back, Bindi. Let's go, back. Come on. Oh. No, no. Come on, let's go back this way. Back this way, come on. Bindi. Ah. Stay.
I feel like I got a whole other pack here. I went through a few more than I was anticipating.
Come on, up. Up. Come on. Come on. Here.
Well, how far to do it?
Here.
I mean, I still got like 10 or 12 over here. I usually keep over a box on. Okay.
Yeah.
Or do you need water? I got water.
No, I got some.
Yeah.
We're good. I'm gonna switch over and try some 4s.
You got birds? Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, he's kind of flapping back there.
No. Come on. Come on. That's funny that
Blue.
you'd have to get your first bird would be a rooster too. Of all.
There should be 2 in there.
Oh, everything that came up. Do they need water too?
Yeah, thank you.
Here.
Okay.
Hey, Blue. Here. You want water?
Yeah, that'd be great. If you, is that dog water? Or
Yeah, it's
human
dog water.
Yeah, if you would put some in there, that'd be awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Huh.
Sure. Yeah. I think it landed in the water.
Did it?
Yeah, yeah.
Take a picture and share them with us after.
Come here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get out of there.
We'll get a team picture when we're done.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, he's still thumping.
You alive?
Yeah.
You got a little twitch to him left.
Yeah.
8 pheasants and 2 chucker.
Bad. Not bad.
What up, baby? You up here? Here. You guys want some water?
Yeah, so I had no time for it. I thought we could yeah. We just do the short little loops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I like to do out here, just to give the dogs some water, give them a break for a second, unload, just also shoot so many birds, it's heavy.
Yeah,
Carry them around all day.
Yeah, you gotta carry. You're the one carrying them. Where'd they go without you?
Blue, here. This
Yeah.
is a good area. Blue.
Bindi, come on.
Blue, here.
Come on. She can go on point.
Blue,
Flush something.
come here.
See, that's what happens. She knows that sound. Hey, hey. Leave Blue alone. He just. Blue!
Yeah, faster.
Come here, Blue. Hi, baby. Hi.
Me and him are pretty quick shooters.
Yeah.
You have to be when you hunt with the guys we hunt
Yeah,
with.
I said to poor bugger, you and I are boom. He's going.
It's like, yeah,
hear
he got his gun up. Safety what?
I said, did you shoot? You and he said he didn't even get his gun up yet.
He did it.
And I said, that's what I said.
Hi, Chapeau.
You and I are we're pretty quick with the gun.
Yeah.
He says we have to be with the group we're with, especially when there's a whole whack of 'em.